going to share some important information with you. And I'm going to ask you to help us spot a sneaky invader. What could be so sneaky, so troublesome, and yet so beautiful? It's the spotted lanternfly. With a name like that, you may think it glows. Nope. Or that it's a kind of fly. Nope. And take a look at it. It must be a moth. Not even close. As a matter of fact, it's a close cousin of the true bugs. We just learned about true bugs in our true bug video. If you missed that video, I will put a link in the Show More descriptions for you to watch this interesting video. The spotted lanternfly is in the order Hemiptera with the scientific name Lycorma delicatula, and it's a leafhopper. You might hear it called by the nickname SLF. It originally came from Southeast Asia, probably imported on a cargo ship, sometime around 2012. It is invasive and very, very damaging to crops. These insects are a problem because they do what true bugs and their close relatives do. They eat sap with their piercing, sucking mouth parts. They take sap from many different plants, including grapes, fruit trees, and other important crops. And when they feed, they weaken the plants and leave behind a sticky substance called honeydew. Sticky honeydew causes more damage by blocking sunlight, which plants need for photosynthesis, how they turn the sun's energy into food. Here's part of the problem. Spotted lanternflies don't have many natural enemies here in North America, so they multiply fast. And they're great at hitching rides on cars, firewood, or even camping gear. We have not found them yet here in my state of Missouri, nor have they been found in Canada, but they have been found in several states within the United States and close to the Canadian border. You may recall that insects in the order Hemiptera undergo a simple metamorphosis with 3 life stages: eggs, nymph, and adult. Let's examine what these stages look like so that you can identify these pests in every life stage. You have learned that many insects lay their eggs on a favorite host plant. The main host plant for the SLF is the tree of heaven, and despite its lovely name, is a stinky, invasive problem plant. We won't talk about invasive plants now, but we will take a look at the plant, so if it catches your eye, you will know to take a closer look. Their egg masses are quite interesting. They look nothing like individual eggs, although they start out like eggs lined up. The eggs are then covered with a putty, mud-like substance, hardening into what looks like just a smear of mud. How deceitful. We could easily overlook this smear. If you see this weird smear on a tree, a fence, or a rock, be a detective. Take a closer look and don't ignore it. In life stage 2 of metamorphosis, SLF will hatch as nymphs. We have learned that most nymphs look like tiny adults. For every rule, there is an exception, and our SLF hatchlings do not look like they're adults, period. But here is what they do look like. Hatchlings are black with white spots. As they grow and shed their skins, they add bright red patches. Pretty soon, they're on their way to becoming those fleshy adults. Gorgeous gray wings with black spots, and their back wings stunning red with black dots, white stripes, and black tips. Don't let those pretty wings fool you. They are still big trouble. So what do you do if you think you find one or many? First, enlist the help of an adult. They will help you best preserve your findings. Take pictures, lots of pictures, and try to safely capture one. They don't bite or sting. They don't run away very fast. So if you don't have a net, just capture any way possible. You can store them in a plastic bag with some rubbing alcohol in it, or place your bag in a freezer to kill the insects. Make a record of your finding, just like you would do if you were collecting insects or writing in your diary. Record the location site, the date, the time. Even if you did not capture a sample, you could submit your pictures to help scientists track this pest. Below the video, you will find a Show More or description section. I have included several reporting sites for states across the United States and for our friends in Canada. Thanks for being part of the Kids Ask Dr. Bug crew. Learning together brings us together and helps protect our world. Give us a like, subscribe, and until next month, I'll see you in the garden. Ask Dr. Bug originates from the Kids Ask Dr. Bug column, written by Dr. Tamara Rial, horticultural specialist with the University of Missouri Extension. Her column can be found in garden publications, newsletters, and extension websites. Do you have a question for Dr. Bug? Send them to reallT@missouri.edu. Put Ask Dr. Bug in the subject and include your name and age. Or ask your questions online at the address listed here.